Welcome to the University of Manchester. Manchester is the 2016 European City of Science. We'd like to introduce you to Joy Wang, who's carrying out groundbreaking research on arrhythmias in Manchester. Firstly, what is an arrhythmia? Normally, the heart beats at a steady rate. The movement of potassium in and out of the heart cells generates action potentials, which cause the heart to beat. When this movement of potassium gets disturbed, the heartbeat becomes irregular. This is called an arrhythmia. Joy Wang has been researching the complex which disrupts this potassium movement.
Looking at the complex, we have identified three major components. One is a filament A, which is a structural protein, but in this case is working as a scaffolding protein. Another is HDAC2, which is the acetylase, and another is KL4, which is Cooper-Lacter factor 4. It's a transcript factor.
In a normal healthy heart, the KL4 protein binds to a promoter on the DNA, which allows regulation of potassium out of the heart, generating a regular heartbeat. In an arrhythmic heart, a repressive complex made of HDAC2 and filament A binds to KLF4, which prevents it from binding to the potassium channel promoter. The movement of potassium out of the cell is therefore inhibited. Joy and her team were trying to prevent the complex's interaction with KLF4 by searching for a drug which inhibits HDAC2. There are already drugs which target HDAC2 used to treat other diseases, such as epilepsy. Joy noticed a link between epilepsy and arrhythmias.
So by looking this at the list, we find one called valproic acid. And this valproic acid is existing drug. Second is this valproic acid is very safe drug and have none of cardio side effect has been reported, very safe. And also we find some correlation make us feel very interesting in is 30% of epilepsy patients experience arrhythmia during their lifetime.
How does valproic acid work? Valproic acid destroys HDAC2, disrupting the protein complex, so KLF4 is released and the movement of potassium goes back to normal. Therefore, the arrhythmia is resolved. In the future, Joy aims to find a group of drugs which will split apart this complex without destroying HDAC2 to minimise the damage done and hence any side effects. This is just a small taste of some of the great research the University of Manchester does and why Manchester is this year's City of Science.